A very good morning to all my dear children. Children, today is Saturday and today we are going to study English. In today's class, I am going to teach you to read story number 5, A Pet Hen from Fitzroy Reader book. Then children, I will teach you to write cursive T in your English notebook and in my first Trident English book. After that, we will learn to read 3 and 4 letter words from Phonics Pupil book. Then we will practice our rhyme Goozy Goozy Gander. So let's start our today's learning. Children, now it's reading time. Bring your Fitzroy Reader's book. Now open page number 65. Fitzroy Reader's story number 5 is about the pet hen. Now turn the page. This is page number 66. Letters we know. This is W, V and L. Now words we know. Ha otter hot, pa otter pot, l auger log. The, ba igga big, of off. Da ida did, ha agga hug, ilka milk. And a man, auger fog, and ran. In this way, we have to read page number 66. Children, now the new sound on page number 67. E as eh in ha hen. Now special words WAS was and TO2. These two words are sight words. Okay children, again turn the page. After 67 comes 68. Children, this story is about the pet hen. Okay, pet means paltu. Alright, now see. The, ha and a hen, WAS was a pet. The hen was a pet. This is a hen and she was a pet. Somebody kept her in her house, in his house. Okay. Now page number 69. The, ha and a hen were went TO2 the am a dam. The hen went to the dam. Children, do you know what is dam? Dam is a place where lots and lots of water is collected. Okay, so and the dam is basically situated on a river. So the hen went to the dam. Again turn the page. Page number 70. The, her and a hen. WAS was at, the am a dam. Look at the picture children. There is lots and lots of water. So the hen was at the dam. The, pa at a pet. Her and a hen. Ga otter got. Wa at a wet. The pet hen got wet. This hen, she went into the water and she got wet. There was so much of water at the dam, so she got wet. Gili ho gayi. Page number 71. A wa at a wet, HAD had, TO2, ga at a get, the, ha and a hen. A wet had to get the hen. This is a vet. Vet is animals and birds doctor. So he had to get the hen. Ye hen ko pakadne gaye. Turn the page. Page number 72. The, wa at a wet, wa and a went. TO2, ga at a get, n at a net. The wet went to get a net. Now see children. Wet went to get a net. He got this net. Okay. The wet went to get a net. Children, now see page number 73. The, wa at a wet, HAD had, TO2, ga at a get, the, ha and a hen, in, the, n at a net. The wet had to get the hen in the net. Children, the wet had to get a net. Why? Because he want to catch this hen. This hen is very smart. She was running here and there. So this vet had to get a net to catch this hen. Now the vet had to get the hen in the net. See the way he had to get. इसको पकड़ना पड़ा और इसको इसके अंदर डालना पड़ा, in the net. Okay, the vet had to get the hen in the net. This vet, this doctor, he got the hen and he put it in the net. Now turn the page. Page number 74. T-H-E the, pa at a pet, ha and a hen, W-A-S was, in a in, T-H-E the, n at a net. The pet hen was in the net. Now see, the vet caught the hen and the hen was in the net. This hen is inside the net. Page number 75. T-H-E the, pa at a pet, ha and a hen, da it da did, n ought a not, it a sit, in a in, T-H-E the, n at a net. The pet hen did not sit in the net. Now see children, this pet hen is very naughty. She was not liking to sit in the net. She wants to roam here and there. She wants to go to the dam. So she was not sitting in the net. Now again turn the page. Come to page number 76. T-H-E the, wa at a wet, H-A-D had, T-O-2, L at a let, T-H-E the, n at a net, ga at a get, wa at a wet. The vet had to let the net get wet. Children, look in the picture. What we see here, this hen was dragging the net. ये क्या कर रही थी? ये उड़ रही थी, तो इसके पीछे पीछे this vet was also running and this hen was going towards the water. So in that case, the net get wet. This net was getting wet. ये भी गीला हो गया. Now page number 77. T-H-E the, pa at a pet, ha and a hen, ga ought a got, T-H-E the, wa at a wet, wa at a wet. The pet hen got the wet. Since this vet was holding this net, so the net was wet and this vet was also got wet because he went inside the water along with the hen and net. Again turn the page. Come to page number 78. See, such a funny scene. Everybody is wet. T-H-E the, ha and a hen, W-A-S was, wa at a wet. The hen was wet. See, she is inside the water and she is wet. T-H-E the, n at a net, W-A-S was, wa at a wet. This net was also wet. This net is also inside the water, so it is wet. T-H-E the, wa at a wet, W-A-S was, wa at a wet. The vet was also wet because he is also inside the water. Okay, so everybody is wet because of this pet hen. In this way, children, this story comes to the end. Now let's revise the words which we have used on page number 79. Story number 5. Let's read them. Ha and a hen, pa at a pet, T-O-2. At a met, wa at a wet, O-F off. Ga at a got, H-A-D had, W-A-S was. L at a let, T-H-E the, wa at a wet. Some new words. Ba at a bet, L egg a leg, and a men. In this way, children, you have to read story number 5, The Pet Hen. And now we will do reading of 4-letter words from Phonics Pupil Book 1. Now let's read it. Pa ik a pick, s ak a sack, ta n t tent, n ek a neck, ha is hiss, r s t rest, is miss, pa otters spots, la s lips. Help, an plan, for puff, soft, crab, rain, tail, paid, snail, just, jump, Otter, goat. Ochre, soak. Oder, road. Oma, foam. Ida, light. Ida, tide. Tree. Scene. Corn. Orca, fork. Orta, sort. So the next word is buzz. 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 Fizz. We will say it again. Fizz. Am a swam. Am a swam. In the wind. In the wind. Anger sang. Anger sang. King. King. Long. Long. Lung. Let's say it again. Lung. Children, in this way, you have to read 4-letter words from Phonics Pupil Book 1. Children, now it's time to read the words, okay? From your Phonics Pupil Book 1. ये जो वर्ड्स हैं चिल्ड्रन, ये हम रीड करना सीख चुके हैं, है ना? और ये किस में है? हमारी फोनिक्स प्यूपल बुक में है, जिन लेटर्स का साउंड हमने लर्न कर लिया है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज देम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट चिल्ड्रन. सो यू ऑल्सो स्पीक विद मी, ओके? नाउ सी, दिस इज at, sat, it, sit, it, pit, at, pat, apple, tap, tip, apple, nap, ant, pan. Now the second line. Tin, at, cat, kip, pick, sack, set, pet, tent, neck, hen, at, hat, hip, hiss, at, rat, rip, ran, rest, men, man, miss, him, dip, dad, pad, hid, get, gap. Now the last line. Peg, rag, otter, hot, mop, spots, dog, sun, mud, cup. So children, in this way you have to read. Reading with the help of sounds of the letters make it so much fun, isn't it? So you should learn how to read these words. Read it the way I taught you. Today I will teach you to write cursive T. Look here children, this is cursive T. This is capital T and this is cursive T. And the sound of T is T. Now look at the board. This is today's date. Today is 13th February 2021. Now children, let's start writing T. From the second blue line, children, put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line and from here you have to go up. See. Touch the red line and come back on the same line and turn it a little bit. Then you have to cut it here. Not on this line children. Okay? Like this. You have to make a sleeping line. See from here, again I am writing, put your pencil on the second blue line, go up, touch the red line and then come back on the second blue line. and turn it a little bit. Then you have to cut it. Like this, you have to write cursive T. Children, again I am writing, just see. Like this, you have to write cursive T. And then come back on the same line and turn it. Okay, in this way you have to write cursive T. Now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write cursive T in the notebook. Today you have to write full page of cursive T. Okay, you have to finish this page. First write today's date. Today is 13th February 2021, like this, children. And now let's start writing. Put your pencil on the second blue line, children, like this, and then you have to go up. And you have to touch the red line and you have to come down on the same line and you have to turn it. Then you have to make standing line on this line, like this, a small cut. Okay. Now see, again I'm writing like this, go up and come down, and this line should be straight. See, from here you have to make a little curve and then you have to go up like this, touch the red line, come back on the second blue line and turn it a little bit and then cut it like this. In this way you have to write cursive T. See, children? And there are many things which start with this letter. T for tiger, T for telephone, T for train. Like this, you have to write cursive T, children. Start from the second blue line, go up, touch the red line, come back to the second blue line and then turn it a little bit like this. Children, now see, I am on the last line of this page and in this way you have to write cursive T the way I am writing. Okay. See, from the second blue line you have to go up and then on the same line you have to come down, turn it a little bit and then cut it like this. You have to write cursive T. Alright, children, so write cursive T in your English notebook and send its picture to me. Now bring My First Tried in English book. Children, open page number 88. Today you will write cursive T in this workbook, okay, in your cursive writing workbook. See, children, first you have to trace and write on these dots, okay. See. Okay, children, now see how you have to write. You have to put your pencil here and you have to trace and write like this. And in this way, you have to finish this first line. And from here you have to write on your own. So the way I taught you in the notebook, you will write in the same manner when you will write on your own. Okay. Like this. You have to finish writing T in this workbook. See. You have to write like this. Then you have to color the tangy tomato. Okay. Children, you have to finish this page also. And here you have to write it like this. Alright, children, you have to finish it till here. In this way, you have to finish cursive T. So finish your work. Take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to recite our new rhyme, Goosey Goosey Gander, with actions. Children, you also follow me. Let's start. Goosey Goosey Gander, where shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber. There I met an old man who would not say his prayers. I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs. In this way, children, you have to recite this rhyme with actions, okay? So do it and learn it also. Make your videos on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.